Addison, ground runway 33, taxi via Alpha.
33 via Alpha, 503 Papa Charlie will be ready at the end.
We should be recording. Hopefully you can hear me now. And we'll get this show on the road. Weather's obtained until they're set. Canopy is locked down. Flaps are up. Test the brakes. Brakes are good, and we will taxi out.
Addison ground, SportCruiser 422 Pop Sierra is at Romeo, short of Alpha with information Mike, ready to taxi.
SportCruiser 422 Papa Sierra, Addison ground, runway 33, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 33, taxi via Alpha, 422 Pop Sierra.
Ground, I'll do 5262 at 969 on to India Takeoff.
Hello, 526 Julie Mike, Addison ground, clear to the India X-ray Delta Airport on departure, fly runway heading, radar vectors. XLMA 2 departure, Tulsa transition direct, maintain 2000, expect flight level 210, 10 minutes after departure, departure frequency 124.3, squawk 3456.
Fortune Delta's Golf Golf Air. Textron 2, Tulsa transition and direct. On 2000, that's flight level 210. Departure 124.3, squawk 3456.
Airport to Delta has ground taxi to Million Air Alpha.
Million Air Alpha, check it out, thanks.
Malibu 6, Julie Mike, somebody said, give me the fly runway heading on departure, and then the route, and then I got the rest already.
Okay, this is Mike. It was runway heading, Textron 2, Tulsa transition, 2000, flight level 210, 124.3, 3456.
Malibu 6, Julie Mike, Roger, and verify after Tulsa transition direct with call sign.
After Tulsa transition, direct for 526 Julie Mike.
Malibu 526 Julie Mike, read back, it's correct.
526 Mike, is at Millionaire with Mike, that's takeoff.
Malibu 6, Julie Mike, Roger, there's King Air traffic inbound to Millionaire, report traffic in sight.
Yeah, it will report the camera.
Alright, could be waiting for a while.
King Air is inbound to the ramp now.
Yeah.
Got one aircraft landing, two aircraft in front of us.
Particularly Mike, Roger, verify information, Mike, runway 33, taxi via Alpha.
Yeah, we have Mike.
Alright, come on. Let somebody go here. And he's rolling.
Center 5262, advance hold short Tango.
Hold short at Tango for 60 per mile. Addison ground, 71 Alpha Foxtrot, ready to 3 Tango.
71 Alpha Foxtrot, Addison ground.
Alright, run up checklist.
71 Alpha Foxtrot, taxi 3.
Brake, set and hold, flight control, frame correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flight controls are pretty correct. Throttle to 4,000.
162 at Mike 1 fastest turns
Wells at 4,000.
Taxi runway 33.
Instruments check. Pressure's good. Temperature's good. Fuel pressure's good. Temperatures are good. Battery's good. Magneto check. Small drop, less than 300. Good rise. Small drop, less than 300. Good rise. Throttle to idle. Trim is neutral. Transponder altitude. Fuel pump on. Canopy is secured and locked. Run up checklist is complete. Switch over to tower.
Wind 3004.
33 foot of land, 6 flights in progress.
Addison Tower, SportCruiser 422 Papa Sierra is holding short runway 33 and Alpha, ready to depart northeast bound, please.
SportCruiser 422 Papa Sierra, Addison Tower, hold short runway 33, landing traffic.
Hold short runway 33, 422 Papa Sierra.
Alright, we'll hang out here while we got an aircraft inbound for landing. And we got eyes on him, shouldn't take too long. Sweet Hawk over there by Alpha sign. Alright, baby. Get our planning out. We got our planning ready. Good to go. Here comes that aircraft. Should we get clearance here soon?
SportCruiser 2 Papa Sierra, runway 33, full length, line up and wait.
Runway 33, line up and wait, 422 Papa Sierra.
Alright, so we're going to go out of the runway here. We're just going to hold short until it gives us clearance to take off. Alright, we have clear left.
Cessna 875, contact ground point 6.
Ground point 6, 875 today.
SportCruiser 2 Papa Sierra, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 2 Papa Sierra.
Got clear for takeoff. We're up on the center line. Full power. Instruments are green.
Juliet Mike,
Airspeed is alive.
Short runway 335 for release.
Hold in that right rudder, 49 knots, and rotate. Nice and easy. Up we go. Fly runway heading. Climb out at 65 knots. And we are flying. All right, 1,000 feet AGL. Turn my fuel pump off. Pressure stays good. Alright, got a little bumps. Go ahead and get on our course of 015.
That'll be 6 Juliet Mike, runway 3.
Climb up to 2,000. And hold. Alright, 015 heading. Alright. That's how you take off, folks. Coming up on 2,000 here, we'll go ahead and level out. Alright, stopping film 1.